Welcome to our course on social media marketing. This is Chapter 3, Part B. So, let's begin. One of the most adaptable types of material that can be used in social media marketing is text content. You can use it to entertain, educate, or inform your audience. A few illustrations of text-based material that can be applied to social media marketing are as follows. 1. Blog posts. Writing blog articles is a terrific method to tell a story or offer in-depth information. They can be used to inform your audience about your goods or services, discuss news and developments in the market, or offer guidance. 2. Articles. While articles and blog posts are similar in many ways, articles are often shorter and more narrowly focused. They can be used to disseminate news and updates or to deliver fast, bite-sized information. 3. Newsletters. Keeping your audience updated about your company and staying in touch with them is easy with newsletters. They can be used to disseminate details about future occasions, sales, or novel goods and services. 4. Social media updates. These quick text-based posts can be used to communicate news and updates, pose queries, or open a dialogue. 5. Quotes. Using quotes in your social media material is a terrific approach to inject personality and motivation. They can be used to impart knowledge or inspire your audience. 6. Testimonials. Testimonials are a great tool for winning over new clients. They can be utilized to spread the good news about your current clients. 7. Product descriptions can help you educate your customers about the qualities and advantages of your goods and services. Writing clearly, succinctly, and in a style that resonates with your target audience are necessary skills for producing interesting text-based content. Remember that people on social media prefer to scroll rapidly, so capture their attention right away and make the message simple to skim by using headings, bullet points, etc.